Hi, and welcome to another Derek Does. Today, we're going to do these. Welcome back to another Derek Does. I'm Derek, and today we're going to do a little more denim. This is part of a group I picked up recently. If you recently saw my video on the dead stock 1984 501s, these are also dead stock. This is a pair of jeans I've never actually seen before. I didn't know they had these. These are both women's jeans, and it's called the Levi winter jean, and it has a little there you see a little tag with it has a polar fleece, polar flannel they call it actually, lined on the inside of the jeans, and I'm going to show you that. These are both dead stock. These are probably also from about 84 in that range. I was trying to research these a little bit, and there's really not that much on these. I don't know if they made these for men. I've only seen women's versions of these. This is a size 6, and this is a size 14. So both dead stock. This one's a little more fancy dead stock because the whole tag is this tag got a little torn right there, as you can see. And I'll show you close-ups on these. But they still have the stickers on the inside from the manufacturing that they didn't take out, and they're pretty cool. But I'm going to show you these. Again, I picked these up at a person that had all these old jeans. And I bought the 501s, I bought these, and I bought some 517s, and I got a jacket also. But it's a leather jacket, and there'll be another video coming up. But I bought it all. If you see it, buy it, because you're not going to see these again. So I'll put these up on the hanger and show you the close-ups on what these jeans are, and you can kind of learn about the Levi's winter jean, which has a polar flannel. And again, these are orange tab. I'll show you close-ups of that. So it's an orange tag. It's a Talon 42 zipper. I don't see any salvage in the denim itself. I doubt there is any, but bar tacked, but it's a classic 80s, probably a high-waisted. Obviously, I can't try these on, but I believe these are a high-waisted jean, as whatever fashion was for women in 1984, in that range. These might be from 83, 84, but it's early 80s. But I'll show you the tag, because I can't find a date on these, and the actual paper tab, I can't find a date on that one either. So, but if I do, I will show you. But let's put them up on the hanger, and I'll show you what they look like. So here you go. This is I think the 14 size. Again, you can see where it's been folded its entire life, but it's not like creased, which is really nice. The pockets have a bit of a different type of slant. I guess that's more of a woman's slant, or at least from Levi's. And it's actually, of course, that will open up once worn. The rivets are a little different too, as you can see that. Doesn't have a silver like a 501, has a copper colored, but does have a little watch pocket, and the watch pocket is lined with their material. So let's flip it over and I'll show you this. There's no real flare to it. These are pretty much straight legs. They might have a slight flare, but nothing crazy. This is kind of the cool thing. Polar flannel, keeps you dry, keeps you warm, wind resistant, water resistant, satisfaction guaranteed. And then it comes with a little flap here to show you what it's like. I guess you could also use that for patching if you had got a hole in your jeans. There you can see it's a little E, orange tab. Classic Levi's everywhere. Just smaller pockets, and these pockets have the same material, which is lined. Here's the paper tag, made in the USA, and these are 39203 2517s, and it's a size 14. The other size is exactly the same as this, only it's a size 6, so it's a little smaller, and the paper tag is not as clean as this one. But let me take these down, and I'll show you the inside and all the cool features of these. Alright, so here's that other pair. This is the size 6. Same everything. These obviously were purchased at the same time. Maybe it's for two different people, maybe for two different kids they bought these for. I don't know. You can see it still has the tag there that the price tag would have been on. But everything else is the same. Although this one's missing that little tab that this one has. So on the inside, again, you have the copper colored classic Levi's. And this has I don't see a number on this one. It does have the Talon 42. If you don't know what that means, it's exactly as it sounds. It's a Talon made zipper, and the model is a 42. These were classic on pretty much all jeans, probably up until the 1990s. And then Levi started to put their Levi one, and Wrangler started to put theirs, and Lee's did theirs. But everyone pretty much used this Talon 42 as their zipper. So it's lined, as you can see, in this really soft, red, warm, I guess they call it a polar flannel. But you can see the maker's tags are still in here from the manufacturer, which is cool. It's even sewn onto it. And these actually have it. I think when I was looking through these, even down in here, there's a couple. Yeah, right there. There's more tags. They didn't take these out. They just left them in. But it's totally dead stock. This is the tab there that correlates with the paper tag on the outside. The 053M, I'm not quite positive if that's the factory. You guys can let me know. And then just kind of shows you that the inside's polyester, that's the flannel, and the outside's all cotton. So it's not a polyester, stretchy denim. It's a real denim. So if you wanted these, it's an actual real denim and would look like real denim when you've worn these for a while, but you would have this polyester flannel on the inside to keep you warm. Again, there's no, they didn't stamp anything like they do today, and there you can see there's even a one inside there. They went a little crazy on these things and just left them everywhere. But this is them. It's kind of cool. It's a cool pair of jeans. I've never seen these before. I didn't know they existed from Levi's. I know other, like LL Bean makes a flannel lined pant, but I didn't know back in the 80s that Levi's also did that. The other pair is exactly the same. Again, it's just a smaller size, never been worn, and it has the exact same tag on the inside. Same factory if that's a 053M for the factory, and same model number there on the side. And I believe it's got some things also in it left over from the manufacturing that they just hadn't removed yet. I haven't gone through this whole one yet, but if you're a woman or a girl that can wear a size 6 or a size 14, and winter's coming up, these would be a really cool pair to have, or for just your collection for Levi's, because you're not going to find these a lot. But these will also be up on my DerekDoes.com. So check those out. I may not have them up for a couple days, but I'll get measurements and everything for you, and some nice pictures, and you can see everything about these jeans. They're kind of cool. Well, I hope you enjoyed this episode of Derek Does, kind of going down the denim rabbit hole, but getting ready for winter with these polar flannel women's denim jeans from Levi's, called the Levi Winter Jeans, dead stock. Again, these will be up on my website, so if you can wear one of these, or if you just want them for your collection, might be a good chance to pick them up, because these do not show up very often, especially dead stock. But I hope you enjoyed it. If you are new to the channel, please subscribe, comment, like, all that stuff. I'll try to answer as many questions as I can that actually know the knowledge, but sometimes you can throw a question up and maybe there might be somebody else. There's obviously people way more knowledgeable about this stuff than me that may be able to see this or see something else in another video I've done, and maybe they can explain it to you or answer a question you might have. So I hope that helps. So I will see you on the next Derek Does.